Okay, so this is the two auto trading apps, the one by the left and the one by the right. The one by the left is the one that was initially just for uh, prediction and the calculations. Okay, so we have added a automated trading feature in this prediction app as well, so it can also carry out trades automatically for you. So in case you don't have the time to be trading on your own, which is quite a very good one. Now, if you come to the automated trading, here is how to use it. Once you come to the automated trading, you put in your Bet Nigeria username, password there, and then you select the markets you want it to trade on. For now, it only supports these two markets, the Rainbow 2 Plus and the Bet Zero football prediction. So let's assume I'm going with the Bet Zero football prediction. Then uh, here you select the calculation martingale, first principle or rollover. So let's assume I'm going with the martingale calculation. Okay. Now, if you don't know what to fill in here, like what to select, if you come back to the home page, there is a clue here. You can see for the football here, I said under each market, you will see betting strategy recommended is martingale. So also rollover is okay in this market as well, but in this bet 49 is martingale that is recommended. But if you come to the Rainbow 2 Plus markets, you will see we have recommended martingale with higher capital, first principle recommended with lower capital, and rollover recommended, meaning on average, rollover capital, even if it's not much, is fine. Okay, it can manage the account. So let's go to the automated trading again. So here you select the markets you wanted to trade on. Now, let me go with the martingale. Then all I have to do is to fill in, log in with the user details for Bet Ninja accounts. Okay, so now once you click on start, it will fetch your username and log in with it. Now you can say login successful. So let's say from the next round, it should fetch your balance. Now it has fetched the account balance. So here displays how much is in your account, and there tells you if the bet is ongoing or not. So currently it has placed a bet of the amount 100 naira, and you can see trade is ongoing. So what exactly do you have to do? Well, actually, you don't have to do anything because once you have logged in like this, so long as your internet connection is stable, it will be carrying out trade for you hours for hours. Okay, so you just need a stable internet connection, which is very, very important. Okay, so basically is okay for you to be checking it once in a while, considering that uh, there are times whereby internet connection will flop and also server error can also occur. So because of that, it's good for you to be checking it once in a while, even if it's an hour after each 2, 3, 4 hours. Check it to see that it's running without stop. So if you see that it stopped trading, there's no need to panic. You can click on start again here, or you can go back to the home page, then start again. It will start trading. Or sometimes just give it like 2 to 3 minutes before running it again. Okay, so it's quite easy. It automatically does the trading for you. So that emotion of trading and the fear of trading wrongly is no longer there. Now, this does not mean that because it's app that is trading for you, there are no risks attached. Okay, this is gambling, whichever perspective we are looking at it from. But then one thing that is certain is uh, the logics behind what is going on is very important. Okay, so there is actually a lot of safety precaution measures put in place to prevent your account from running into trouble. So be rest assured, so long as you have the capital in your account, it will keep repeating same cycle of as is programmed and avoid uh, blowing up your accounts. It does manage the capital you have in your accounts for you. So the higher the capital in your account, the safer it is. But I do not recommend that you go and put in hundreds of thousands or even millions. Okay. I always say something. It's best to build your capital from the system rather than you just packing in money you can't afford to lose into the system, and then when you blow it up, you feel bad. Okay. So put in a little amount, let it manage that little amount and eventually grow it for you. Okay. So what's the average recommended amount in this particular app? Well, on this one, it depends on the calculation you're going for. Let's assume you're going for this martingale bet zero football prediction. It requires a capital of around 500,000 naira, which is high. Okay. Uh, I would say is high. Then if you are going for the rollover, a capital of 300,000 to 340 is fine. But that does not mean if you have 50,000, 100,000, you cannot trade. Even with 100,000, it will trade with that 100,000. It will manage that 100,000. And the good aspect is, even if someone have 1 million and you have 100,000 or 50,000 in your account, and the both of you run this for 5 hours or even an hour, the same amount of profit that person is making is what you will also make, so long as you did not interrupt your trading process. So if your trading session does not get interrupted, it's the same amount of profit the both of you will be making, which is very good. You understand? So I was very considerate in that aspect when it comes to this one. Now you can see the last predictions are all successful, 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 successful. Okay, so now that's it for this one. Now let's come to this other one now. Yeah. Um, so I'll try to log into this. Okay, I'll log into a different user details on this so that we can. I know it forgets you, be busy now. So yeah, if you look at it, you see that you have demo mode and you have real mode. I'll be using real mode even if this is for test, because it's looks more serious. Some persons will say, demo mode is somehow demo mode is not like the real mode, but they have forgotten that in 49 there is no difference between the demo mode and the real mode. The results you are getting in the demo mode, that's what you get on the real mode also. So the both are the same. Okay. Just that in the demo mode, if you are trading yourself, you don't feel it that your money is going. So you can actually risk any amount and just be trading, betting. But in the real one, you know that if you risk in certain amount, is your money that is going. So you are quite conscious of what you do. That's just the major difference. Now, yeah, there are two major markets here also, the Rainbow and the Bet Zero. That's what is here. Initially, it was four market, but I've taken down. Even this to my programmers telling me we should, my team are telling me that we should add more market, but because of other projects we have at hand, I said no, they should not again. So the only thing that will be added there on this particular one will be the field threshold, balance refresh, and balance hide in case you want to hide your balance. Maybe you are in a public area. That will be necessary. So then those are the things I'll be adding on this one in the probably when you will be getting when you are getting it now is that one you might likely even download because they're already working on it. So it will be ready any minute from now, moment from now, either today or tomorrow to be ready. So by the time at the moment I'm making this video is not ready, but by the time you are downloading it, or you when you are watching this video, it should be ready already. Okay, so back to this one, you select the markets. So we are going to select, let's assume I'm picking for bet zero here also. Then if you come down, you see a very interesting one, trading power in this one, which is not available in this one. Okay, now the trading power, what does it mean? The trading power means that take for instance the capital that is required in this bet zero market. Actually, not even take for instance. In this particular one, the capital is very specific. Okay, unlike this one, in this one, the higher the capital in your account, the safer your account. But in this one is not so. In this one, there is a predefined capital and it doesn't go beyond that. Okay, so the capital required for this market here is 56,300. Okay, now 56,300, that's the market required, the capital required in this market. So if you keep it on the trading power on one time, it means that it's going to manage that 56,300 for you all through while it's trading. But here is the interesting part. What if maybe you have 112,000 in your account, 112,600, you have up to that in your account? Well, it means that if you have 112,600 in your account, please, okay, if you have 112,600 in your account, you can use the 2 times trading power. Okay, so by using the 2 times trading power, here's the difference. If someone using the 1 time trading power is making 20,000 in an hour or 25,000 in an hour, I'm fine. Good afternoon. It's afternoon. Yes, okay, I'll see you tomorrow. If someone with that 1 time trading power of 65,000, 56,300 is making 25,000 in in a day, then it means that, let's say in not in a day is too long, let's say in 12 hours or 6 hours as the case may be, then you using the 2 times trading power will make times 2 of that amount exactly in that time frame of, even if it's a 6 hour, 12 hour thereabouts. Now if you put it in, so that means that you'll be making it means that you'll be making 50,000 naira at that point in time, at that 6 hour or 12 hours thereabouts. So back to the 3 times now. In the 3 times, it means you'll be making times 3 of the amount the person is, someone here is making, the 1 time trading power is making. So in the 3 times trading power, if the 6 hour profit margin is calculated based on 25,000 naira for the 56,300 capital, then you should be expecting to make 75,000 naira with using the 3 times trading power. So how much is the 3 times trading power precisely? The 3 times trading power is times 3 of this one. So if this one is, 56,300, then the 3 times is going to be 168,900. So if you have 168,900, that means approximately you'll be making around 70 to 75,000 naira daily in that 6 to 12 hours estimated time. So how does it sound? It's quite good, right? Yes, so long as you don't encounter any negative problems, which is built to, the system is built to avoid those negative trends. So I'll put it on the 1 time trading power, 2 time trading power, let's say. So on this one, unlike this one here that you don't see the game interface, what's going on, this one you are actually seeing the game interface. Okay, it opens the game interface as is trading, so you see everything. Now once it logs in, you can see that it has logged in, or it has opened the page and logged in. There are times whereby it will just be on this home page, it delays. When you experience that, you just go back and you click on enter again. Okay, however, most times it's caused by the network. But if this login successful, so let's say if it will open the game, okay, you can see it has launched the game. So you just go back and enter again. But then it's still an advice. If it doesn't automatically log you in, sorry, if it doesn't automatically open the game interface, all you have to do is when you go back and you enter again, just open the game manually. Just click on the game, play now. Okay, then automatically it will start trading. From once you get to the game interface, it will start trading. That's how it works. So it's quite simple. So on this one, Let's watch how this one goes while it trade. So currently it has not placed trade because it has not found an entry point. This one trades strictly on entry points. Okay, for now, don't mind my voice, please. My voice will be very terrible because of the cold. It's more like the unleashed cold here this period, so it's very cold. So it's still waiting for an entry point. So it doesn't just trade randomly anyhow. You can see that the both of them has the different differences. This one, it trades almost on every trade. This one, it's trade based on entry points. Both of them have their own safety precaution measures. This one, it requires absolutely low capital and a room for maximum earning, higher profit making on this one, the one by that you are seeing the game interface. While on this other one, uh, it also gives you the opportunity to earn high, but yet uh, it's not as how will I put it? The profit margin is cannot be estimated like this one. Okay, so is pure. This one is very straightforward. Any amount you have, that's what it will trade with. Okay, any amount you have, that's what it will trade with. Manage it for you. So if on the long run, so long as you keep it running, you tend to make high profits. Okay, so there are times whereby it profit can even exceed this one, and depending on the trading power used in this aspect, though. But this one there is no trading power here. Okay, so I just need you to understand the difference. Now this one is going to start trading now. How did I know? Just watch because it's my program. Okay, there's an entry point now, so it's a trade. Okay, you see it has placed bets. Cool, right? Okay, so let's see. So you can see the both of them are running side by side in one single tab, one single phone. I'm running the both of them, two different accounts. You can see, which is good. Mhm. I usually enjoy this blink blink. When you win, it will blink like this. Mostly when you are outside, people are saying that you are not doing anything, but yeah, there's money blinking on your screen. Pim 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 pim. You won. Pim 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 pim. You won this amount. It's very sweet. Before you know, people will be like, "What are you doing? What's happening on your phone screen?" You just tell them you are making money. As you have been discussing since, I'm making money. I'm hustling. So you see, our our own hustling has now wear coats. He's wearing coats. It's remaining for us to give him walking stick and they used to wear carry walking stick and long coats. No, okay. It's for us to give him purse. They used to I know they used to carry purse, those that wear coats. Don't mind me, I don't wear coats, I don't know. But I know that our hustling now, our own way of making money now wear suits. And see now, this one is suits like one, but it's not entirely suits. I'll also soon upgrade to suits. Hmm? Because it's now necessary. With this one, you can be sleeping, making babies, and money is growing in your account. Okay. So actually, that's how far we've come. It's actually a good improvement and progress we've made over time. But then, uh, like I said, this is just the starting point because uh, although this seems perfect, it looks good. But then compared to ideas I have in mind of things or what more to do next, it looks like this one is so too flawed, or how will I put it, is not even impressive at all. But then, you know, the first thing you always do, the first thing is always the marking point for greater changes. So through this, the next developments will be even way better. This particular project on the left hand side took us about 6 months, 5 months to 6 months thereabout to get to this stage. While on this one, the one on the right took us how long? 3 months. Yeah, three to 2 months thereabout. So we've learned a lot of things from the first project, which is this one, the prediction app. And then the second one was built based upon what we've learned from the first one and the data's collected. So it becomes better. So just imagine the next one we are going to create. It will take less than 4 weeks for us to complete it. And I will not be disclosing it now, but already my trainees know that we are already working on the next project, and it's not on this any of these games and not on Bet Ninja. We are working on now different platforms to expand our reach. Okay, so that's how it works. To get the app, you just visit the website www.kurosoft.com. Sorry, .org, not .com. You'll be able to download the application, this auto trading app there. Then you subscribe and you'll be able to use it. Okay, so you download it, subscribe. When you subscribe, your email and password that you use to log into the website, that's what you'll be able to use to log into the app as well. And another thing again to take note of is this: while these bets are ongoing, the admin like me, I have access to the bet history, not your account balance, your history, the bet history. I'm seeing it live. Okay. So if anything is going wrong too, I'm seeing it. Okay. So it's more like your account, the progress is monitored to be sure that nothing goes wrong. Okay, that's one. And then secondly, for transparency, I intend to make it open, that history open for anyone to that visit our website to be able to access it. You can see live trading sessions as it's going, as people are using the our software. They can be seeing the bet histories of users, but they won't have access to your account or account balance. It won't be visible. Just more like in Aviator, when people are betting, you see the bet amounts be flashing. This person bet this amount, this person bet this amount. Okay, actually, it's not you doing it, but while the app is using your details to your account to trade, it will be showing visible on the website for transparency reasons. Okay, I intend to do that. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and I hope this won't be difficult for you to make use of, and this will bring better progress in the trading line. Okay, so just visit the website, you download the app and subscribe, then boom, you have access to these very cool advancements. See you guys in the next video.